LASCO and learn about the process of creating a fan from design to manufacturing.
Just like normal people, designers have vision boards too, just a bigger version like you see here.
It's actually the original fan that we kind of stemmed all these other variations off of.
But we train everybody. We have a diverse community here. There are probably 8 different languages.
They were founded in Philadelphia and have then turned into a global organization.
It'll start with us. You know, we'll come up and give rendering boards, do a survey. So we'll do like 5 or 6 designs, and the survey will kind of pick which one they like the best.
At LASCO, they print their designs before finalizing them and producing it.
It's really quick to have it on hand and be able to prove out the concepts, or like these guys will put them together and we'll think. See what brings different.
And it'll probably make 20,000 of these if we need it.
So the stuff that's on the bottom there.
And all this, that's pretty cool too. So that's a magnetic conveyor. When it starts, it'll pull that stuff up into a dumpster that does stuff. Here are a bunch of dies that will make any product that we need to make. Now when we don't have a die, it's called a carrot. And in this machine, this is way cool. This machine can make every part that the dies can make, entry level in the plant. In the back, this is the part she was punching out. Remember that? We have an engineering team and a customer service team, and it's something really major. So they'll call us and they'll tell us what their issue is. We'll evaluate it. This workstation is here for returns. All this product came back.
We test it, and then we test the whole unit as such. We make sure all the components are within the temperature range that they're made for. Some tests that we do is stability test.
That's basically the purpose of that. The plastic, so we have a ball of a known weight, and we drop it from a known height. Any kind of dangerous areas, there's no accessibility for anybody to go and touch it with your fingers. That's one of many tests that we do here. Basically what we're doing is just checking for safety, making sure